So I'm just currently downloading the latest version of the Gemma 431B quantized model in GGUF format, or GGUF or whatever they call it. It's going to be running in llama.cpp, 8000 context width, because it's mostly doing text, not code. Batch size of 512, we'll see how that goes. I've tested with this video card before, which is a Tesla M40 24 gig. It seems to be okay with the 512 context. I've done it smaller and it really slowed down, but I don't quite know why that was. But anyway, the cache size is KMV, sitting at Q80. I used to run it with a type V of F16, but Q80 seems to work fine. And obviously host being 0000 to be exposed to any computer on the network, because it's all behind a NAT. So there's no way of it being exposed to the internet unless someone obviously hacks through my firewall. So yeah, we'll see how that all goes. So we just about downloaded it by now. We're at 99%. So it's enabled. Let's start it. So we have to do a rebuild of Llama, which is fine. Llama CPP. Basically just need to try and get the latest version so that it can handle the new Gemma. Claw's just freaking out a wee bit because it thinks that there might be a issue with which repo I'm using, but I'm sure it's fine. Yeah, so we just need to go up to the latest pull request. No big deal. Going through and finding the right version of llama.cpp. Yeah, cool. Now we grab the latest version. It's getting slightly moderately chastised by Claude for being so far behind, but I'm not a developer, so I'm just a hobbyist. I don't know what any of this stuff means, so now we just do the build. I'm literally running off Claude directly into my computer. Like, you shouldn't do this. This is not good security practice, but I don't give a fuck. This computer is not, it's not something I'm particularly worried about. Like, I mean, I know a bit of Python, but this is all way over my head. Yeah, you guys can sit there and watch the build happen. Pretty exciting stuff. VShot running, just compiling everything with CUDA. Just got the Gemma model connected up to OpenCode so that I can test it building a game of Pac-Man. Pretty simple. It's using C++. As you can see on screen, it's using using C++, and it's got the ncursors library to create a text user interface. And I've got the BTOP output there showing the video card getting a fair bit of work, but nothing spilling too much over to RAM. So I'm pretty impressed with that. So this is where I keep the AI server, the M40 Tesla. It's just a cheap workstation server box that I found on TradeMe. And on the inside is the wee NVIDIA Tesla M40. Just in there. It just sits there screaming away. Out of sight, out of mind. Don't have it running right now because it's real noisy and uses a bit of power, so if I'm not actually using it, I don't leave it running constantly.